We don't call it a podcaster's paradise for nothing. Hosting with Disctopia is one of the best decisions you will ever make. Whether you're starting a podcast from scratch or you're migrating from one of the other guys, you have found the best podcast hosting solution, period. At this point, you've already perfected your content and its premium quality. And let's be honest, don't you think it's time that you were paid for it? With more features and flexibility than any other platform, Disctopia offers unlimited storage and uploads to multiple networks, private or exclusive episodes, which we'll actually pay you for, and you're also able to distribute your podcast anywhere via RSS. You'll get a personal podcast profile page, the ability to manage multiple episodes, and an embeddable episode web player, all with a secure HTTPS site. By the way, did we mention your listeners will have access to unlimited downloads and you'll receive unique listener reports? Web player analytics are already integrated with the best technology. And on top of that, you'll get 24/7 world-class customer support. As a true content creator platform, Disctopia will give you creative freedom for all your podcast needs, with integrated merchandise and the ability to upload it all into one place. Set your content to be downloadable or even for stream only. The Disctopia platform allows content to be distributed via Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, Deezer, Google Podcasts, iHeartRadio, Radio Public, Stitcher, and Facebook. We offer the most podcast hosting features over any other platform. Disctopia gives podcasters all the power. So what are you waiting for?